very warm welcome to everybody. It's indeed a great pleasure that we have launched on this campaign to announce this program, Ghar Ghar Solar, and today we are in the city of Kochi. I'll take you through what we do at Tata Power Renewables. We are a large renewables company that has a big generation portfolio wherein we build large-scale plants when it comes to solar, wind, and also battery technology. We have an installed capacity of 5,000 megawatts, and we are again constructing another 5,000 megawatts as we speak. We also have an EPC company that does the construction of these plants. We have embarked on large-scale manufacturing of solar panels. In fact, we would be very pleased to invite all of you to our plant in Tirunelveli, which is not too far away from here, where we have just commissioned a 4,300 megawatt module manufacturing plant, and we are on the verge of commissioning a similar capacity on the cell side. So total capacity between our plants in Tamil Nadu and Bangalore, we'll have in the range of 4.6 to 4.9 gigawatt of capacity, which is again a commitment from the Tata Group and Tata Power to enhance the penetration of solar electricity in India. We also have the large-scale CNI segment, which is called as Group Captive, in which we enter into partnerships with the private sector and we enable them to go green at an accelerated manner. Then comes the most favorite part of our business, which is the rooftop solar business. The company for several years has been investing in an end-to-end value chain of offering solutions to clients when it comes to rooftop. And again, I have all the appreciation for the work that the channel partner team here has done. In fact, today morning, when we were there at CB Sebastian's office, it was amazing for us to see the integrated common approach that you have taken on coming up with a very innovative go-to-market, a very collaborative approach of offering solution to the customers and the people of Kerala. In terms of market trends, I think renewable energy penetration in India has all the tailwinds and the support of the government, be it at the state and the center. India, as you know, has embarked on this journey of adding up to 500 gigawatts of renewable energy. We are close to halfway there, and this we have said that we'll do it by 2030. I have all the confidence that with the different stakeholders coming together, the government, the financing authorities, manufacturers like us, renewable players like us, and channel partners, this particular journey, I think, will happen in a much more accelerated fashion. In terms of the products and services that we need to offer here in the state of Kerala, I think in this morning's discussion, we have taken away a lot of important feedback that we have got from you. Our engineering teams will work closely with you to design and to give you a very specific, tailor-made requirement for the market needs of Kerala. And our request would be, for you to be as demanding as you can, extract the maximum that you can from Tata Power, and you will see that we will not leave any stone unturned in terms of giving you our support. Again, the future roadmap when it comes to rooftop solar, there are large numbers that we can achieve. And trust me when I tell you, the end purpose of this is not merely commerce. It's not merely the business that all of us will get out of this. But I think we will do good to mankind and humanity, not for now, but these projects, once installed, last for 25 years. Thank you very much.